muntik na to sumuko sa pamahalaan eh. Ay, thank you very much. Palakpakan natin si Paul at ang kanyang buong team sa City Treasurer's Office. Pwede na kayo magtayo ng choir. Congratulations sa inyo. I'm really proud of you. What you have become and the diligence. Totoo naman po yung sinasabi kanina. I miss you. Totoo naman po yung sinasabi kanina ni Paul. Marami pong empleyado natin sa CTO na talagang nag-overtime. Lagi po. Lagi. Going beyond what is being required. So, congratulations, palakpakan natin. Yung pong mga naikwento nila. Nandiyan ba si Jai? Wala si Jai. Someday you will meet Jai. Gusto mo meet si Jai? Someday you'll meet. Sa inyong lahat, good morning.
Good morning.
I miss you. Maraming salamat sa ating Vice Mayor, Vice Mayor Chi Atiesa, malinhin sa atin. Habang tayo'y dumako sa Estados Unidos. Ilang araw din kaming nag-aral kasama si Attorney Chris Fernandez, si Christian, at saka si Ramon. At the same time, yung mga ONACs nagulat sa City of Manila. When I was informed ahead of time that there will be a recognition for the city government of Manila because of its effort, like what Paul said, with the proper system, adapting to technology, efficiency in our office, pati yung ONACs nagulat at hindi nila akalain na sa loob lamang ng isang taon ay magagamit natin ng isang sistema na siyang naghahanda para sa mga darating na dilubyo o aberya ng ating pamahalaan or ng ating pamayanan. Kaya po ako'y nagtungo at natutuwa ko kami at marami pa kaming bagay na pwedeng i-adapt, especially yung mga taga-business permit, yan, mga taga-assessor's office. Marami tayong gagawin sa mga darating na araw at yung ating healthcare. Naku, matutuwa lahat ang mga taga-hospital at saka health center. So, but we did it together. As like what Paul said, we are a team. And I would like to give due credit to the following. No? Yung natanggap po nating award, ito po yung mga nasa likod ng camera. Ito po yung backbone of that data management, data inputs, data analysis, making the City of Manila prepared. Kasi we'll never know kung gaano kalaking indulto ang darating sa atin kapag dumating ang big one. But we continue to prepare. That's the best thing that we can do for now. And secondly, after doing our best, let God do the rest. We continue to pray that hopefully that kind of what you call big one will not happen in the City of Manila. The City of Manila received Special Achievement in GIS or SAG. Ito ay binubuo ng 700,000 users sa buong mundo. Some countries are using it. NSC, NSA, Coast Guard, big companies, local government units. At katulad sa Maynila, ginamit natin yung sistemang ito. Itong what you call GIS under the SV program. Ito ay binigyan ng pansin ng mga sumusunod. At dahil sa kanila, ay nakilala na naman sa mapa ng mundo ang lungsod ng Maynila. I would like to give credit to Director Arnel Eustacio Angeles. Nandiyan ba si Arnel? Puyat pa. Kakahanda para mamaya. Andiyan na. Okay, Arnel, halika. GIS Team Leader Ramon Jefferson Verano. Si Ramon. Paulo. Big shot. Ayun. Marami utong pangalan. At yung ating mga bata na ito mga to, muntik nang bumigay ito, buti naabutan ko pa eh. Muntik na to sumuko sa pamahalaan eh. But I have to, at least dito man lang mapalakpakan natin ang kapwa natin lingkod bayan, no? Alan Carlo Alpondo, Nika May Ang, atat kayo dito, Rochelle Ann Margaha, Nelly Balmonte, Carl Jalom, Gerald Lerios, Lito Panganiban, Nicole Alingod, Christine Joan Aguas, Hannah Villar, Denise Salazar, Cyrus Mendoza, Rayleigh Malgapo, Marvin Mauhay, Lara Del Rosario, Mark Joseph Gloria, Charles Dexter Amat. May tama ka ba? Amat, sir. Ayan. Puro bata pa. Sila now, tomorrow, next month, next year, and for the next generations of leaders of Manila will be fully equipped, having a good data so that we can spend taxpayers' money efficiently addressing social perennial problem, recurring problem, or existing at the time ng mga suliranin. Palakpakan natin po silang lahat. Alam nyo bang nabilang nila ang poste ng Maynila? Could you imagine? Almost 40,000. Alam din natin, alam nyo ba na alam na din natin, kaya nating sabihin, may kulang-kulang 2,000 patay na poste na pwede nang putulin. Kasi dugyot lang, tingnan. So these are the things that make a city more effective, having what you call, you can Google it, managing big data. And I'm happy and I'm proud working hand in hand with these young generations of employees of the City of Manila. Ayan. Through the leadership, of course, si Christian. Nandiyan ba si Christian? Mang Taning, maraming salamat sa iyo sa weather condition ngayon. Ayun, si Christian. Spoken in English na yan. Maraming salamat sa liderato ni Arnel Angeles ng MDRRM. Ayan po yung award sa kanila. O yan. O sa inyo yan. O palakpakan natin man lang. Ha? 20 pesos. Sige. We'll have our lecture. Saglit lang ha. Yung mga atabs natin. Galingan niyo, Ramon. And someday, may awa ang Diyos through the help of the City Council, will make your office a department. Pag nakaluwag-luwag tayo, hindi na siya bureau under the office of the mayor, the ADP. We can make it as a department. So again, thank you very much.